don't try this at home. It hurts. Hi guys, today we are going to make a gun. So first, guys, I need to unscrew this. Okay, we have the tank of gas here. Be careful with this. We have an igniter here, but we need to take these wires out. So we need, this is a gas pipe, and these two together, the electric part, that it causes the spark. So we hold them close together. Okay. Hopefully we'll see. Don't get it too close to your fingers, okay? So here, otherwise we'd have a short circuit go through your body. Your body is a very good conductor. Right, so we need these two, but I want them same length. So I'm going to cut this. Okay, now I need these ones, all of them come out. So I'm going to break this part. Now that they're all out, I can close this. Now I'm going to use a bottle, is a can or the water bottle. You can even use any other bottles like a shampoo bottle or something similar to that. But I've tried with the plastic bottle, but I'm going to use for first time using a can. Why I'm using can? I think it might cause a louder noise or louder bang. Hopefully it would be louder. So let's see. Okay, something like this. I'm going to seal this with hot glue gun. Ouch! Be careful when you're working with a hot glue gun. It can burn badly. You need to seal this. Okay. The next part here, we have to make sure they are next to each other, so causing spark. After you stick these two together, just test it, see if the spark happens between them. Yes, it does. So what I'm going to do now, I need to cut, this is too long. I'm going to cut it a bit shorter so it can go inside the can. Here, now I have the can. It's all gonna go inside. I need to stick my can to the side here, the top of the gun. You can even use sellotape or other tapes to just seal it here. Now this part, when we have the wire is gone inside and the gas pipe, needs to be sealed too. So after this is completely dried, okay, and sealed, so now this is ready to shoot. When you trigger the gun, here you have to hold it for a few seconds. You push it down, hold it a few seconds, let the gas to build up inside this can, and then you press the final stage. You press it further, push it further to have a spark inside, and it would cause a combustion inside. It would burn all the gas. The combustion would increase the pressure inside the can, and hopefully if you have any bullets inside here, it will shoot it. So let's try it. I have cut a piece of cork here to use it as a bullet so it won't hurt anyone. I'm going to press it inside, push it in with something like a pen or something like that. So, whoops! Did you see that? Oh, the can is hot too. So here is the second version I made. I removed the can and replaced it with water bottle. This one is not as fancy as the other one, but you can paint it outside. But the good thing is about it, you can see inside. Also, the other change is that with the parts that I had from the tip of the lighter at the beginning, so I kept that one, stick this wooden piece inside. You can even use a pencil, for example, but it has to be a thin one. Attach the string to it, so this way I won't lose my bullet, and we won't use the bullet, so we can test it as well. Another tip for you guys: if you run out of gas and there was no more gas left inside the lighter, you can either fill it up Or alternatively, if you didn't have access to gas, you might have access to some alcohol. So a drop of alcohol inside the bottle, one drop is enough. And then shake it, tear the alcohol to the vapor. It will be highly flammable. And the same way that you use the gas one, will be the same here. So you press the, and here you are. Hope you enjoyed it.